Mike, working in the school administration division, is overwhelmed with manually maintaining and providing information to various stakeholders for their needs at the same time. He goes in search of software which can solve his problems and identifies Edumaint. Edumaint can help you here with admission, records management, automation, communication, insights, and assessment. Admission Procedure helps receive applications from multiple channels such as web, mobile, paper, and phone. The robust, secure and flexible records management system helps store, manage and use all data more efficiently and are traceable. Its search capabilities helps reduce your search time. The academic and administrative process is automated on our records management system, reducing manual efforts, errors and provide complete reporting and analytics of these processes. Examination, test, and assessment can be easily configured and scheduled. It automates and provides efficient ways to capture marks, calculate grades, tabulate and produce progress reports. Management of transportation covering fleet management, drivers, routes, and assignment of routes including the fees management and collection is automated. Using this system you can notice that there is consistent communication with the parents, teachers and other stakeholders using multiple communication channels through messaging, mobile applications, web applications, and emails. Take critical decisions and with a 360-degree view of the student to staff, teachers, students and parents and the institution's performance. Why Edumaint? The data is secured as the database is centrally stored and restricted user access. Its easy-to-use interface doesn't require any IT knowledge and heavy hardware. Take critical decisions with very good insights about the students, teachers' performance. With comprehensive dashboard for various users like parents, teachers, staff, and the students. You can customize the way you need, with continuous customer success. Why wait? Contact us now to know more about